General disclaimer. Welcome to the We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organization. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general, not personalized advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide informations and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone. So we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing a We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All products, services, their component parts and operating methods and systems either provided by or created by We're All Satoshi belong solely to We Are All Satoshi. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing or reselling any We're All Satoshi product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming or social media sharing of We're All Satoshi presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may lead to legal consequences.
Introducing Capital 3.0, a groundbreaking opportunity. Your early access to crypto unicorns and AI disruptors. We've witnessed a seismic shift in how we interact with the internet. Let's take a quick look at this evolution. Web 1.0, the Internet of Information, where static websites reigned supreme and users consumed content passively. Then came Web 2.0, the Internet of Communication. Social media transformed users into creators, allowing people to connect and share like never before. And now, Web 3.0, the decentralized Internet of Blockchains. A new phase that's transforming the way we interact, create, and control digital assets. Introduction to Web 3.0. Web 3.0 represents the next leap forward, where decentralized networks, blockchain technology, and artificial intelligence come together to create a more transparent, secure, and user-centric web. The key drivers of this revolution: decentralization, tokenization, smart contracts, and the integration of AI. These technologies are enhancing automation, decision-making, and reshaping entire industries. Capital 3.0 is your gateway to early access in this space. To crypto unicorns and AI disruptors leading the charge in Web 3.0. Here's a look at the emerging theses that will reshape our world. $5.9 trillion tokenized IP. Imagine owning intellectual property with digital, incorruptible proof. Every creation is securely recorded and easily transferred. The future of innovation is here. $3.6 trillion decentralized finance. Frictionless capital markets where you can lend, borrow, and innovate without barriers. Welcome to the era of seamless financial freedom. $2.0 trillion programmable money. Embedded solutions and next-generation cryptocurrencies like stablecoins. Financial transactions and smart contracts are redefined for efficiency and stability. $3.1 trillion Web 3.0 infrastructure. The trust layer for all Internet applications. Securing enterprise and consumer data with unmatched reliability and safety. These are the pillars of tomorrow's economy. Get ready to embrace the future of value. Let's explore blockchain and AI integration and Web 3.0 innovations. AI is transforming blockchain, predicting market trends, automating smart contracts, and optimizing transactions. Explore investment in AI-driven blockchain platforms for secure, efficient transactions and data analysis. Web 3.0 brings decentralized apps and DeFi solutions, offering personalized experiences and innovative financial options. Here is the table showing the exponential returns at the pre-launch stage.
Early access to high-potential projects. Historically, investing in premium pre-launch token rounds has delivered exceptional returns. Capital 3.0 offers exclusive access to these opportunities, typically reserved for top-tier crypto funds. Success stories. Showcase examples of past successes, such as early investments in projects like Ethereum or Chainlink, which resulted in substantial returns. Let's take a look at why consider private token sales. Private token sales provide the benefit of lower entry valuations, offering a higher potential for upside compared to well-established large-cap crypto assets. Consistent success. By diversifying across various projects, investors increase their chances of achieving significant returns. In conclusion, private token sales have the potential to outperform large-cap crypto assets. Check out this graph of venture capital-backed private token returns. Here are some key challenges in the blockchain and AI investment space. Challenge number 1, domain expertise. With over 30,000 blockchain projects and rapid advancements in AI, it takes a high level of expertise to stay ahead of emerging trends and identify the top opportunities. Challenge number 2, limited access to early-stage unicorns. Tier 1 funds often have the resources and strategic insights to identify early-stage unicorns, making it hard for smaller players to gain access at the earliest stages of growth. Challenge number 3, direct investment in Tier 1 crypto funds. Identification, expertise and continuous monitoring are needed. Access, relationships with top fund managers are crucial. Capital threshold, large capital pools are required for diversification. The C3O solution. Fund structure. A closed-end fund of funds providing a single access point to a carefully selected group of leading crypto and blockchain AI fund managers. Mandate. To build a diversified portfolio of early-stage projects with high growth potential, focusing on investments at the earliest possible valuations. Here is a matrix illustrating Capital 3.0, covering the full range of value creation. Investment strategy overview. A diversified approach integrating investments in blockchain infrastructure, AI-driven decentralized applications, dApps, decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, and private token sales. Utilizing AI for portfolio optimization, predictive analysis, and risk management. Due diligence approach. A thorough vetting process guarantees that the portfolio comprises only high-potential, strategically aligned funds. Includes access to highly sought-after Tier 1 funds, creating a portfolio that balances established blue-chip managers with emerging talent. Let's explore the powerful synergy between AI and blockchain. AI's role in blockchain. AI improves blockchain efficiency by forecasting market trends, automating smart contract processes, and optimizing decentralized networks. Investment in platforms leveraging AI to innovate blockchain solutions, like predictive analytics for DeFi or AI-driven identity management systems, is on the rise. Future prospects. The integration of AI and blockchain is poised to fuel the next generation of technological breakthroughs, unlocking new investment avenues with significant growth potential. Discover how Capital 3.0 opens doors to the future. Capital 3.0 offers a distinctive chance to invest globally in premier crypto assets and AI-integrated blockchain funds. One-stop shop. Get early access to emerging crypto giants and groundbreaking AI technologies through a well-rounded portfolio. Commitment to excellence. Our team's extensive industry expertise, strategic alliances, and thorough due diligence guarantee that we remain at the forefront of the fast-paced blockchain and AI sectors. Become a part of the highly anticipated project, Capital 3.0, and position yourself to take advantage of the upcoming Web 3.0 and AI revolution. Stay updated through our official channels for details on the investment process, allocation strategy, and partnership opportunities. Thank you for choosing Capital 3.0.
Good morning, everybody, and great evening to all. That was one fantastic video presentation on Capital 3.0. Congratulations to everybody, because finally we are in the week where we are about to release this amazing product that we have specially designed for the bull run. I welcome everybody on this UK Primetime. That's our official prime presentation on the We Are All Satoshis, as well as our affiliate marketing model. I am Prashit. I'm privileged to be your host for tonight, and I am honored to present before you one of the most amazing presentation and a special session specially designed for you people. Tonight's presentation is special. In fact, it's not a presentation, and it's a walk through the WAAS back office, but it will be delivered from someone very, very special tonight. And if there are any newcomers in the house, I would like to welcome all the newcomers, new participants, new community members, as well as the leaders, existing members. Everybody, you are welcome on this prime time. The agenda for tonight would be the walk through the WAS back office, and who would be the best person to present this, to help us understand how everything has been organized. He is the creator of BTC20 Smart Chain. He is an innovator. He is a technopreneur. He is one of the most knowledgeable person in the blockchain and AI space. He knows and understands crypto as a technology, and he is delivering excellent and amazing, rewarding products for us all to encash as an opportunity. He is also introducing many, many special privileged opportunities that are not available for a common person. So with that, I am honored and I'm privileged to welcome none other than 28 years old. He is our creator. He is our mentor. He is our CEO, Mr. Shavez. Shavez, wholeheartedly, we welcome you on this forum, and I would like you to take the dais forward. Over to you, Shavez. I think he's going to take some time. Meanwhile, I'll help you understand what this We Are All Satoshi ecosystem is all about. Shavez, just let me know when you are ready. Shavez, we request you to unmute, please.
We can't hear you, Shavez.
No. So ladies and gentlemen, Shavez is already here. We have major announcements tonight, so please stay tuned. And this all will be updated by Shavez himself. Shavez, are you ready? Shavez, we still can't hear you. So like we were telling you that Capital 3.0 is launching in this week, and the date has been finalized as 19th. In fact, after this Zoom call, after this prime time presentation, we are going to have a special event. And that special event is going to be very, very exclusive. And this will lead us to the launch of Capital 3.0. Capital 3.0, like you have seen in the video presentation, it's a very special product, specially designed for this bull run. And with this, yes, Shavez, are you ready?
Okay, am I audible?
Yes, now finally we have you. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, Shavez.
All right, perfect. First of all, invite your friends really fast. I'm giving you guys 5 minutes. Let's fill this Zoom fast. Today, I'm telling you guys to invite people fast, quickly. Pick up your phones. Let me see all of you inviting people fast, really quick. Within 2 to 3 minutes, I need this Zoom to be full. Fast, quick, quick, quick. Pick up your phone, invite your teams. We have huge database of users, active users, and sitting in a Zoom with 265 people does not make sense. Come on, quickly invite your teams. Send message fast, and then I will start. I will cover dashboard, new version of dashboard, what everything means. Then David is here with me to explain the Capital 3.0 structuring and with the spreadsheet, and then we will go into Q&A session. I will answer all the questions today around 3.0, and I will try my level best to establish the clarity. But before that, I need all your teams here. Fast, quickly, fastest finger first. Invite your teams, and then we start. Very good. Great job. Don't send me messages. Invite. I am receiving messages. Don't invite me. Invite your people. Good. Great job. Very good. Fast, fast, quickly. While you guys are inviting, we can play some video, or let's play this Capital 3.0 video so that people who need to establish clarity as to concept is concerned, they can watch. Can we, is this Brent? Is this you, Brent?
Yep, it is. And let me make my camera. I'm not able to do the video. Okay, it says I'm not able. The video from this morning is that going to be put into the feed? Or are we going to have access to that? Because
Sure.
like it. I had a meeting already and I didn't have it.
Perfect. I will ask my team to publish it officially.
much.
I believe it is published on 3.0 channel.
Okay, then I'll check for that. Thank you.
Can we have David also co-hosted?
Yes, done.
Okay. Perfect.
Introducing Capital 3.0, a groundbreaking opportunity. Your early access to crypto unicorns and AI disruptors. We've witnessed a seismic shift in how we interact with the internet. Let's take a quick look at this evolution. Web 1.0, the Internet of Information, where static websites reigned supreme and users consumed content passively. Then came Web 2.0, the Internet of Communication. Social media transformed users into creators, allowing people to connect and share like never before. And now, Web 3.0, the decentralized Internet of Blockchains. A new phase that's transforming the way we interact, create, and control digital assets. Introduction to Web 3.0. Web 3.0 represents the next leap forward, where decentralized networks, blockchain technology, and artificial intelligence come together to create a more transparent, secure, and user-centric web. The key drivers of this revolution: decentralization, tokenization, smart contracts, and the integration of AI. These technologies are enhancing automation, decision-making, and reshaping entire industries. Capital 3.0 is your gateway to early access in this space. To crypto unicorns and AI disruptors leading the charge in Web 3.0. Here's a look at the emerging theses that will reshape our world. $5.9 trillion tokenized IP. Imagine owning intellectual property with digital, incorruptible proof. Every creation is securely recorded and easily transferred. The future of innovation is here. $3.6 trillion decentralized finance. Frictionless capital markets where you can lend, borrow, and innovate without barriers. Welcome to the era of seamless financial freedom. $2.0 trillion programmable money. Embedded solutions and next-generation cryptocurrencies like stablecoins. Financial transactions and smart contracts are redefined for efficiency and stability. $3.1 trillion Web 3.0 infrastructure. The trust layer for all Internet applications. Securing enterprise and consumer data with unmatched reliability and safety. These are the pillars of tomorrow's economy. Get ready to embrace the future of value. Let's explore blockchain and AI integration and Web 3.0 innovations. AI is transforming blockchain, predicting market trends, automating smart contracts, and optimizing transactions. Explore investment in AI-driven blockchain platforms for secure, efficient transactions and data analysis. Web 3.0 brings decentralized apps and DeFi solutions, offering personalized experiences and innovative financial options. Here is the table showing the exponential returns at the pre-launch stage.
Early access to high-potential projects. Historically, investing in premium pre-launch token rounds has delivered exceptional returns. Capital 3.0 offers exclusive access to these opportunities, typically reserved for top-tier crypto funds. Success stories. Showcase examples of past successes, such as early investments in projects like Ethereum or Chainlink, which resulted in substantial returns. Let's take a look at why consider private token sales. Private token sales provide the benefit of lower entry valuations, offering a higher potential for upside compared to well-established large-cap crypto assets. Consistent success. by diversifying across various projects, investors increase their chances of achieving significant returns. In conclusion, private token sales have the potential to outperform large-cap crypto assets. Check out this graph of venture capital-backed private token returns. Here are some key challenges in the blockchain and AI investment space. Challenge number 1, domain expertise. With over 30,000 blockchain projects and rapid advancements in AI, it takes a high level of expertise to stay ahead of emerging trends and identify the top opportunities. Challenge number 2, limited access to early-stage unicorns. Tier 1 funds often have the resources and strategic insights to identify early-stage unicorns, making it hard for smaller players to gain access at the earliest stages of growth. Challenge number 3, direct investment in Tier 1 crypto funds. Identification, expertise and continuous monitoring are needed. Access, relationships with top fund managers are crucial. Capital threshold, large capital pools are required for diversification. The C3O solution. Fund structure. A closed-end fund of funds providing a single access point to a carefully selected group of leading crypto and blockchain AI fund managers. Mandate. To build a diversified portfolio of early-stage projects with high growth potential, focusing on investments at the earliest possible valuations. Here is a matrix illustrating Capital 3.0, covering the full range of value creation. Investment strategy overview. A diversified approach integrating investments in blockchain infrastructure, AI-driven decentralized applications, dApps, decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, and private token sales. Utilizing AI for portfolio optimization, predictive analysis, and risk management. Due diligence approach. A thorough vetting process guarantees that the portfolio comprises only high-potential, strategically aligned funds. Includes access to highly sought-after Tier 1 funds, creating a portfolio that balances established blue-chip managers with emerging talent. Let's explore the powerful synergy between AI and blockchain. AI's role in blockchain. AI improves blockchain efficiency by forecasting market trends, automating smart contract processes, and optimizing decentralized networks. Investment in platforms leveraging AI to innovate blockchain solutions, like predictive analytics for DeFi or AI-driven identity management systems, is on the rise. Future prospects. The integration of AI and blockchain is poised to fuel the next generation of technological breakthroughs, unlocking new investment avenues with significant growth potential. Discover how Capital 3.0 opens doors to the future. Capital 3.0 offers a distinctive chance to invest globally in premier crypto assets and AI-integrated blockchain funds. One-stop shop. Get early access to emerging crypto giants and groundbreaking AI technologies through a well-rounded portfolio. Commitment to excellence. Our team's extensive industry expertise, strategic alliances, and thorough due diligence guarantee that we remain at the forefront of the fast-paced blockchain and AI sectors. Become a part of the highly anticipated project, Capital 3.0, and position yourself to take advantage of the upcoming Web 3.0 and AI revolution. Stay updated through our official channels for details on the investment process, allocation strategy, and partnership opportunities. Thank you for choosing Capital 3.0.
Great job. Okay, so still we are at 408 people. You guys have just 400 people? And you claim them yourselves big leaders in the market? Come on. Where are your people? Sleeping? Okay. All right. Keep inviting people while I will start now. No problem. The people who are in, let us start with them. All right. So welcome you all again in UK Primetime. Today, I will take you guys through the dashboard, the updated features, and first interaction of Capital 3.0 inside we are all Satoshi ecosystem, and how it will work functionality wise, how it will work, and how it is going to affect your incomes, how it is going to enhance your income potential and help you realize bigger residual income, also help you realize the advantage of participating in eminent TGEs with good, with big crypto unicorns that are going to drive the upcoming bull run. The initiative that we are taking here is something that comes once in a leap year kind of thing. Every 4 years, we have this opportunity. This time will come back after the bear market again. So we are sitting on very at the time where we are about to take off, and we need to prepare everything before we take off. So this preparedness will help us establish at a huge level what we need to do in terms of getting everything sorted for the upcoming bull run. You all might have gone through the Capital 3.0 narration. You might understand also. You might also have some of the questions, because if your leader, if your uplines have given you a presentation and they have briefed you about the product, about the project, then they might have also introduced the affiliate model. So we will understand the affiliate model also after this walkthrough, and then I will start taking questions. Today we will have a series of long Q&A directly with the community, and I'm ready to sit here as long as we will do zero questions. So let's start with the dashboard training. So that's why I'm saying invite your people. They can ask questions, they can clarify everything before we start. And this clarification is really necessary and important, because I don't want our existing members to miss out on anything. How will you miss out on something if you don't know? Let us learn more from dashboard. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes, Shavez.
Perfect. Okay, so uh, this is the new look of your dashboard now, and you see uh, two income wallets now, and then you club. Before I go much into detail what these income wallets are, so we have separated the two entire affiliate models with naming it DeFi subscriptions and Capital 3.0 subscriptions. So, DeFi subscription means your 3x income potential packages, such as Bitcoin Code, Boomerang, 9Pay. Whereas we have Capital 3.0, where potential earning is 5 times of what you put in from the affiliate side, along with the return on investment ROI. So let us understand from asset page first, and then it will be more comprehensible for us to. Uh, okay. Perfect. So in the dashboard, while you go on the asset, you see DeFi income wallet. This is your income wallet from 3x products, from Boomerang, from 9Pay. If you will sell 9Pay cards, your income will appear in the DeFi income wallet. If you will sell Bitcoin code miners, your income will appear here. If you will sell Boomerang licenses, your income will appear here. Then we have Capital 3.0 income wallet, where when you sell Capital 3.0 packages, and if you have active Capital 3.0 package, then your income will appear here. And this income is capped at 5 times of what you buy. Then there is DeFi deposit wallet. That means whatever you deposit in TRC20 from before, eh, to buy miners, to buy Boomerang, to buy 9pay, it is your DeFi deposit wallet. So deposit wallets are also separate. That means if you deposit USDT TRC20 in DeFi wallet, then you can buy only 3x products. If you deposit USDT BTC20 in DeFi deposit wallet for BTC20, then you will be able to buy only DeFi products. For Capital 3.0, we have separate wallet and you can only deposit USDT TRC20 for Capital 3.0. So once you deposit TRC20 for Capital 3.0, your Capital 3.0 wallet holdings will appear in CUSD. So for DeFi products, for 3x products, it is SUSD. So when you deposit TRC20 for DeFi product, it will convert into SUSD. And when you deposit DeFi in DeFi wallet, BTC20 asset, it will convert into SUSD. And as you know, SUSD, here you can see, one SUSD is $1, one CUSD is $1, one USDT is $1, one 3.0 token is $1. So it is, everything is equivalent 1:1 with dollar. Perfect. So these are the income and deposit wallets. Now let us understand the walkthrough of the dashboard accordingly. So you see now your DeFi income wallet here. You can withdraw. Your potential earning is 3x and it shows you remaining 3x of what you can make. Let's say you have made some money, it will deduct and then it will show here credited and then remaining will show here. This potential earning is 3 times. Then your Capital 3.0 income wallet, where potential earning is 5x and it will show you record of remaining 5x what you remain and whatever you have made is mentioned here. Capital 3.0 income wallet is capped at 5x. If the income is exceeding 5x from Capital 3.0 wallet, then it goes into unclaimed income of 5x. So this remains with you with an opportunity to claim it back within 24 hours before the next business closing. And when is the next business closing? You can see it here. The next business closing, according to me, where I am right now, is after 10 hours, 20 minutes, 39 seconds. Okay. I believe this is clear. DeFi income wallet, Capital 3.0 income wallet. Then we see Ascension Club. So here is the Ascension Club withdrawal wallet. You click. Now you can withdraw your Ascension Club in USDT. Okay. Here you can see, go on view details. You will see all your incomes, whatever you make on a daily basis from both the 3x and 5x model, DeFi and Capital 3.0. Next, you see cumulative subscription. Your total DeFi subscription first. Whatever you have in miners, you have Boomerang, you have 9pay. You see your DeFi subscription. Then you see Capital 3.0 subscription also. And in total, you see your cumulative investment, your cumulative subscription value. The same wallet which you saw in the asset page, DeFi wallet, where you deposit either TRC20 or BTC20 and converts into SUSD. These funds, it is clearly mentioned, please do not make any errors while depositing. Well, if you make any error, support team will move your funds. But why to make error? This is the reason I organized this walkthrough. So understand and read it carefully also, and ask everyone to read it by themselves also. Funds deposited to this wallet can be used for DeFi subscriptions only. It can be used only for DeFi subscriptions. That means Boomerang 9pay Bitcoin code. Nothing else. Then we have Capital 3.0 wallet holdings, in which when you deposit TRC20, it converts into CUSD. And it is clearly mentioned funds deposited to this wallet can only be used for Capital 3.0 and Take Capital. So we have Take Capital also. As you guys know, it is a daily ROI based model without affiliate. Uh, with It is daily ROI project without affiliate model. So you can access Take Capital also through your CUSD. So whatever you deposit, it converts into CUSD. Okay. Then you have Capital 3.0 token wallet. Now you will get project tokens, and you get ROI, your return on investment in 3.0 token, and which is against the total vesting. So here total vesting will be also displayed. In this instance, this is test account, so you can't see your total vesting here, but for you, you will see your total vesting also. On your vesting, you will see ROI calculated every day. And when you generate ROI, there will be allocations through which you can swap. Even before you mature, even before 138 days, you will receive the allocations, and you can swap with your existing 3.0 tokens to real project tokens. Okay, now let me explain how to swap. When you click on available to swap, you land to a window where we will give you option to enter addresses. Let's say the address, by default it is TRC20, but if the project is Ethereum based, then you will get option Ethereum ERC20, and here you have to provide your ERC20 address and you have to write the amount. Let's say this allocation is particularly at, let's say I have right now 686 US dollars in my ROI, and allocation is allowed, or it is not more than $200. So I can choose either 200 or less. So if I want 100 to liquidate 150 right now, but I will choose always to go with the maximum what is required. So I will choose 200, then I will enter my transaction password. I don't have to pay any fee. So in the fee you see 0, so there will be no fee levied here, and you enter transaction password and you click on swap. Here swap button will be there, and when you swap, your address will be sent for allocation and you will get the allocation. This is the way 3.0 token is going to function. Okay. Then you have pool wallet, you have Vault Horizon wallet, WAAS token wallet. Everybody knows, everybody understands how pool, Vault Horizon, WAAS token works. Now let's understand the income summary. Now you have separate income summary of DeFi, separate income summary of Capital 3.0 subscriptions. You have left side business, you have right side business for Capital 3.0. You have introducer kickback for Capital 3.0. If you don't have active subscription in Capital 3.0, you will lose your own income if it is there is check match bonus. If your downlines are working, of course, people will start working from 19th. So make sure you update to everyone, you tell everyone that activate one subscription so that you don't miss out. Otherwise the income will go into unclaimed, because the distribution is separate for introducer kickback, for booster kickback, for ROI, for check match bonus. ROI is definitely will get when you activate your own package. And then you have DeFi subscription income summary. Like before, left side volume, right side volume, introducer kickback, booster kickback, check match bonus. Then you have take capital, ROI income also here. Okay, now adding your both left and left volume in capital 3.0 and DeFi, adding your right and right volume in capital 3.0 and DeFi, you achieve Ascension Club and you achieve pool. How do you see that? Here the volumes are written separate, but when you go on team summary, you click on my tree, your tree will open. When you see your tree, you will see DeFi left business volume, capital 3.0 left business volume, and then you will see total business volume. So this means both the volumes are added. In the right side, similarly, you will see DeFi right business volume, capital 3.0 right business volume, and both are added and it is total business volume. So here you will see your total business volume when you see your tree view. Okay, perfect. Now we covered this. Let's come to the profile section. Okay, so in your profile section, now we have your, of course, your name, your username, your email, your DeFi subscription. What is the DeFi subscription you have? Let's say license 1. What is the Capital 3.0 package you have? Package 6. Who's your sponsor? What is your activation date? What is your activation date of DeFi? What is your activation date of Capital 3.0? What is the registration date? In the uh, eligibility section, you see your subscription is premium. So if you are already premium with DeFi subscription, you don't need to become premium for Capital 3.0 to receive income. If you have Capital 3.0 active on your main account, it works for everything. You see Ascension Club reward, which club you have qualified. Then you see your current pool, which pool you have qualified, Mega, Terra, Giga. You see your 9 pay tier, which tier you have qualified. Let's say in this case tier 1. You see your check match eligibility for DeFi subscriptions. Yes, if you are premium, yes, you have check match eligibility. If you are premium and you have check match eligibility for DeFi, you will automatically have check match eligibility for Capital 3.0. So yes, DeFi potential earning 3 times, Capital 3.0 potential earning 5 times. Your Ascension Club rewards due date is 1st of October. So whatever the next month's first date uh, is when you get released. Then you see your participants, direct participants here. This is a test account. You see your left, you see your right. I will add more features here and it will start appearing slowly. Right now, the fundamental task was to complete the entire dashboard proper functionality wise so that you guys don't face any challenges while withdrawing, while depositing, while seeing your token allocation. So everything is intact, everything is properly done, and in fact we are ready to cater huge signups because we know Capital 3.0 is going to be a massive success, and we will have bigger traction than previous of our all our products with Capital 3.0, because this is ROI based. And in affiliate marketing world, people don't even try to understand about what is the project all about. If it is ROI, they put money blindly. But we will make sure that whatever money people will put blindly is going to go through the Capital 3.0 channel into the market so that it is not it is consumed properly. Okay, now there is one more addition that we did. In subscription, when you go on Bitcoin Code, you buy miners or you buy node. Whenever you click buy miners or nodes, you can provide your Bitcoin code address here. So you don't have to now rely on your submitted address here, and you can change all the time your different addresses. This is going to help us also generate reports efficiently, and also you guys have liberty to choose different addresses to buy Bitcoin code products, such as nodes people had, a lot of issues. Okay, then when we go on Capital 3.0, we see clearly the packages 1 to 7, starting from $100. I will show, but see, the amount, network distribution 65%, vested capital 35%, token allocation, compounding ROI 2% every day. Then you have potential earning of 5 times. In this case, it is $125,000. So this is how your buy page of Capital 3.0 looks. It will appear on 19th when we go live with pre-sales. Sorry, when we go live with sales, there is no pre-sale. All right. I believe I was able to establish uh, some level of clarity as to how dashboard looks like, and as to how, oh no, what kind of okay, this is funny. See, this is the test account I was using. Okay, in front of you guys, somebody tries to reset password of test account. Come on. Okay, so we have David with us, and we will go through very interesting calculation. Okay, to everyone who is interested and who loves mathematics, let's bring.
Shavez, you're dropping out, so I can continue. Let's just do it. Hello, everybody. My name is David, and really thank you for being here. Rashid, you really opened it really nice, and hello, Lucky. Really good to see you. Shavez, you're back.
Oh yeah, yes. I'm sorry. Okay, so we have financial freedom team. Of course, Peter has done a great job in putting together the Excel, and you guys are going to love the way it is, because this ROI model and this kind of calculative, what we call that, David, what did we call this? Automated calculation matrix.
Yeah.
So this calculation matrix is really unique, and you guys must have seen, you guys will see this for the first time in affiliate marketing industry, where the cumulative profit is coming through affiliate side and ROI both. And it is you guys can be smart to even diversify your own packages into different positions, and uh, get maximum out of this affiliate model, which is eventually giving you 5 times of what you put in. So David, let's start.
Yes. So hello, everybody. Can you see my screen correctly?
Yes.
Okay. So I put it as large as possible in my screen so that everybody also on a small device can see it. This Excel will be shared amongst the leaders, and they can share it to the people. Everybody can use it. It's a very easy start. You see here in the top the start date. It's automatically make it today. Vested working capital is always 35%. So you can see here, if you start with $1,000 investment package, what you buy, you can see that 350 is going to the 35%. And on that amount, you get 2%. So on the left, you see that 350. You see the starting date, you see the rewards per day, you see the end date, it's already incalculated. And after 138 days, you have completed your 5x passively with this model if you choose to do this passively. But I challenge you to do this passively because it will be so much fun. You know, now we have a product where we really have something, you know, to offer, because I'm 34 years in this industry, and I can tell you, I've seen a lot of ROI products, but they were always failing. And this is sustainable. And we calculated it. We made a lot of calculations. So the rewards at the end of the 138 days is $36. And why do we put that there? Because you have to understand, if you start with a $100 package, I can put it in here. You can see the $7 is going to 70 cents. So if Shavez comes after 10 days with a good offering, and you have the tokens into your wallet, you can send them. So what do you want to do? You want to have as many tokens when an opportunity comes forward. And this is where we're working through, you know, because the bull run is only coming now, and then we have to wait maybe 4 or 5 years again. So this is how to maximize your tokens. And you see here, capping is 5x. Of course, that is with the affiliate plan, if you network it, or with the tokens, what you get for the project. If you start with 135 is going to work, and you can calculate, you can scroll down here and you can see exactly how that is developing. And you can see after 70 days, you doubled it. So you went from 70 cents to $1.40. But this is, of course, not the amount what you want to receive, because you want to have as many tokens what you can bring in. So we can do the affiliate system. You can also buy a bigger package, and you can, every time when you have money, you can, you know, buy a new booster package. We call that booster package, you know, to get another 35% in there. There is no limit in packages what you can buy. And that is very important that you understand. Every time when you put it in, it's 35% of that amount is going into the compounding of the 2%. So you can see if you put 1,000 in, then you just go to line 3 here. You can see, no, this is, yeah, 1,700. This is if you put 5,000 in, sorry. So if you put 5,000 in here, then you can see that 1,700 is going into the compounding. And then you can see that you get $35 a day. And this is every time. But you can make it faster by adding more money or by building your team. Let me go to the right side here. You see the compounding is 5x is 138 days. The 5x is potential income in the project tokens, because once you have the tokens, Shavez showed it in the back office, then you can swap it to the unicorn process company. So once you swap it there, it can go 3x, it can do 10x, it can do 5x, it can, we do not know, you know. There is the biggest thing. But understand, when you are compounding, and let's say you start, and I make it for easy calculations, I do that with $1,000, and you see you have $7 a day, and if you scroll here down, it is compounding up, and at one moment, let's say you have 1,370 tokens in your wallet. You can only use the tokens what is given to you. So the 350 you cannot take out, because that is giving you 2%. But let's say you take out 1,000, then 372 is still in there, and that will do the 2% every day. It will slow down your 138 days for 5x. It will slow down, but it will always increase. So there is a combination, and I want to show you what we did. Because actually you want to network it, but actually you don't want to have to use the T, because, you know, for me, I want to have the tokens, because in the tokens, you know, I can do 3x, 15x, maybe more, maybe 50x, you know, you never know. So what did we do? And Peter made this calculation. And for a lot of people, maybe this looks familiar. you know, we have the 7th position and we have the 15th position. So you can see on the left, you see account 1 is signing up 2 and 3, 2 is doing 4 and 5, 3 is doing 6 and 7, 4 is 4 left and 4 right. And you can see in this way, you have 7 positions, and below that, you make another 8 positions. That's 15 positions in this calculation. What do you earn? You get 10% check match. So on the main position, left and right, and then of course, these 4 positions, you get all check match. So you have 3 layers of check match. Let's say every position you start with $100. You can change this yellow thing here, not here, but this yellow banner, you can change it. When they all start with $100, it's $1,500 what you bring in. You can see the 5x is 7,500 tokens. But you get from your main position, you get $210 in check match, or from all the positions, you get 210 in check match, because you have 3 layers of check match. So people ask me, okay, so when I buy the lowest, they are passive. I say yes, but every time when you earn affiliate money, you can buy other package below. You can, you know, how you say it, top up that package, what you have. So if you are going to do it like this in a 50 structure, you know, a smart thing is, of course, to do below the bigger packages. But let's say you put in every package, you put in 1,000. You can see total investment is 15,000. You can see how big your allocation, your net token allocation will be. And even if you look at these numbers, 7,290, you know, if you let this run, if you do it with 500, you have 36,000. If you do it with 1,000, you have 72,000. If you do 3,000 packages, you get 218,000. So with the 5,000, what I put in here, let me see the 5,000. And of course, that's 15 times 5,000. You talk about 346,000 tokens, what you can collect in those 138 days. So let's bring it back. If you put in 75,000 in here, you see, you get 375,000. But here you don't have check match. But if you put them over your positions, you get check match. And this is for the passive people or for the, you know, active people. If you put in 75,000, your capping is 375,000. So once you go to Ethereum position and once you go to the bigger positions, you need to have 3x in there. So this is really amazing. You can also calculate here below, if you start with 75,000, in total investment, 26,000 is going to work. You see, you have your 2% is 525 tokens a day. And of course, these numbers look big. But these are the numbers where we play with. These are the numbers what we do, because if you build your organization left and right, and you teach your people to build your organization, you will build a massive organization. You know, once you go to Megapool, Gigapool, Terrapool, you get so many bonuses. What are you going to do? You cannot eat up the money. So you put it here to work. You know, or you work for money or money works for you. So this is the brilliant system. You can see here how fast it is going. But let's go back to the 1,000. Even with the $1,000, look on the right, it only takes you like 68, 69 days. Let's say 70 days to have the $1,000 in allocation tokens to put in projects. 70 days. In the meantime, you can make so much commission. And every time you just rebuy a new package. Are there questions?
I mean, people can rebuy every day if they want, if they max out, because right now there are two binaries coming. So if you are Shiba, then you have $360 from the 3x side, you have $360 from the 5x side. If you are a good working leader in the market, you are for sure making. And if you're just Shiba, if you just have like a team of, let's say, under 100 people, in two digits, if you have team, people can make surely $720 a day. This is the minimum earning potential with just binary income. If they don't recruit, if they have good leaders working under them, that's it. So you put every day $100, make 500, rebuy, put 100, make $500, rebuy. I don't care. As long as you are making money, as long as your people are making money, it's good. But to have good allocations,
To
to
maximize.
have maximum allocations, because then you are not getting any 3.0 token, you are just making cash, and your cash is your liquid money that comes to you in USDT TRC20. You withdraw, bam, finish. And when you make 3.0 tokens, that's why I'm suggesting to start on the main account with bigger packages, and do not uh, you know of course you will end up making affiliate side money, but you will end up also repurchasing. So your 3.0 token allocation is going to be huge, but it is going to be slow. So
Yes.
strategize.
Yeah. Very important. You can buy the same package or higher. So important to know, if you're going to buy the $1,000 package, then you can, in that account, you can rebuy with 1,000. If you rebuy it with 5,000, then you can rebuy with 5,000. So you cannot go back to 1,000. And that is really important for the system. And you needed to, we did the calculations. And even if you start with $100 and you network it, then you get affiliate bonuses, but no fund tokens. So for me, no project tokens means I cannot put more project tokens in the unicorn companies. So then you have to hash up your how you call that, top up.
Top up.
Yeah. So every time when you bring that in, and every time when you do that, you make more money. I had one lady and she said, David, I want to put 1,000 in there, but I don't have. I said, just start with 100, because you have 5x earnings. You have a big team. In no time, you will have 500 in affiliate bonuses. You cash out and you buy another package. You buy it every time. You can buy every day, and
Yes.
top up and top up. And this is so important that people, this is an opportunity, because if tomorrow a person comes and he goes to Shavez and he says, I want to invest $1 million in that unicorn company, he cannot do, because he has to take a position in WAAS, because only the tokens are allowed to go into the fund, into the unicorn companies. So even a person with 1 million or 10 million or 100 million, he needs to buy a package
Position.
and
Yes.
get 2%. And from that 2%, he can put in. So if you start with $1,000, you have $7, $7.10, $7.30, and so on. If you start with a bigger package, you will have, and I know there are some projects waiting for you.
Big ones.
Okay.
Any questions on spreadsheet? Any questions on these 15 account structures? Raise your hand and let's see.
I think we have, do you see them? Let me see.
First, let us ask them to.
And you can also see on the right side here on the L, you see the affiliate bonus. You see on the if you do this with the package of 5,015 positions.
Sarah, turn your camera on. Let's see first. Let's see you. Perfect. Sarah, please unmute. It's okay. You can turn off now. No problem. Not to make you uncomfortable, just. Okay. Go on, Sarah.
Please. Oh, I'm unmuted. Thank you. Good evening. Thank you very much. The last sentence David said that we can pop up, start with 100. This is music to my ears. Thank you to Lucky. So do we need to be premium? Do we have one leg, right leg, one left leg to go into the affiliate scheme?
If you are qualified in the original plan now already, then you don't need to re-qualify. So you're already qualified.
So with 2 minors, for example.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. That was all.
It's also smart, to buy 2 minors, to qualify with the minors, and then buy the Capital 3.0 package bigger, because you don't want to lose the 5% if you're not qualified. But if you're qualified, you will get it anyway. But if you're not qualified, for new people, let them always qualify with minors, and then you buy the Capital 3.0.
Or sell card. Sell one card. It is, everybody would love to buy a card. Okay, let's hear from Carol. Carol's next. Hi, Carol. How are you?
Hi, Shavez.
How
Hi,
are you?
David. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Chavez, thank you so much. God bless you. We have come to make WAAS our home. Okay.
Yes.
And we can talk to people about this platform very confident, with confidence, without fearing, is it going to disappear tomorrow? Like
Come
the
on.
rest of them did. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. So many
so much.
disappeared. So many are still
Yes.
about to disappear. So many will come and then they will disappear.
You know what
We
I'm
are-
talking about. Yes. Yeah. So this gives us the confidence to talk to people and just know that our word is our bond. We don't have to be wondering, well, am I telling them a lie because I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow? So thank you. Now, my question is, since this capital, we're still learning this capital 3.0, I keep playing these videos over and over again, but technology, the wordings are very difficult sometimes to get it at the first time. So we're learning and we'll get it, just like we got the rest of the products in WAAS. But since this capital 3.0 is ROI based, return on investment based, I'm not sure if we still need the 3% like we used to have in the first ROI, which is our selling point, because people are very concerned about crypto and all that they have gone through. So when we had the first ROI, thank God, we're still expecting to get something from it. But that was our selling point. We tell them, you have 3%, in your proof of reserve. So even if anything happens, God forbid, you're still going to get something. It was a strong selling point. So do we have anything like that here?
Okay. Yes. So let me explain it to you. That's why we don't need to have a proof of reserve with this, because the way I created this ROI model, it will never ever fail. Okay. You know why? Because of the mathematics. So I will tell you the difference first between the ROI models which failed and which usually fail. So the calculation, let's say you put $100. ROI is calculated on $100.
Yes.
And then ROI is given 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever it is, on your principal that you deposit, including the affiliate marketing commission is gone from that. and everything is done on the principal. But here we do first clear separation of vesting, 35% into fund,
Yes.
and then 65% is put aside, and ROI is generated only on the vesting, and that's why it will never fail. So we don't have to even worry about this is and out of understanding the experience of failed ROI models, and after learning a lot from market, I created this. So this calculation is all set to go and move forward without any fail.
Yes, I have a follow-up question real quick.
Hmm.
I was explaining it to someone about the
Hmm.
35%, the vested, that is called vested work capital, the
Yes,
35%.
yes.
Okay, that takes me to the next question. And I
Mm-hmm.
think I know what it is, but I just want to be clear. The 65%,
Mm-hmm.
somebody asked me, so what does the company do with the 65%? If yeah, can you explain that one more
So,
time?
so all the check match bonus, the
Okay.
referral income, the club, the pool,
Okay.
everything is paid in 65%. So
Okay.
people who refer, people who market, they get the benefit of 65% faster to promote the growth of the company, while 35% is at work in the vesting,
Yes.
and which is generating 15x, and that's how the whole 5x synergy is done. How it is generating 15x is because these funds have track record of generating at least 100x where they put money in, and people can go on their websites, they can check, these are regulated funds. So we don't need to have any kind of thoughts of even uncertainty of the profits. So affiliate side, we are good, we have the most sustainable model. At the same time, in the ROI side, we have certainty of the profit. Thank you, Carol. Perfect. All right, who's next?
For me, Eric, but he has to open the camera.
Okay.
We'll go with 888.
Okay, let's go with 888.
Oh,
Eric is
thanks
actually right.
for my question. It's just really a quick one, sir. Thanks so much. How long do you think the bull run will last for, and why can't this work in the bear market? Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Great question. So this is very good, really a good question. So after the halving happens, and when the projects they come along and they create a narrative for the movement of market, that's where the growth of altcoin ecosystem starts, and that we call bull run. When bull run will start, you will not know, because cryptos will start moving little bit. They have started moving, but not all altcoins. We can expect bullish run by December and January, because the allocations that we have decided to go with Capital 3.0, some of them are doing their token generation event in December and January. From January onwards, we will see huge momentum in the market, according to my expectations, according to the analysis which I am getting from market. And then it continues for, let's say, 1.5 1 year or 1.5 year, and then you see the bear market or market going moderately normal. Why we can't run this in the bear market? Yes, we can run this in the bear market, but we will not get so many allocations. In the bear market, we don't have unicorn projects going in the market. So many projects going in the market. There will be the projects will be rare, but we don't know. because this bull run is different. People are now educated, people now understand the growth in the market is going to be very, very different. That's why it is not stupid momentum going on, and all not all altcoins are jumping. Nobody is going to put money in stupid things. So market is very, very intelligent now. So this upcoming bear market is also going to be very, very different. So we will go with the flow. We will go with the uh, we will adjust and adopt the narration of the market properly, and that's why I have decided to go through this channel. There are two ways with which money goes into the decentralized finance. One, uh, through MLMs, where all the scams are done in the name of bull market. That bull market is coming. One project is going to do this 100x, 200x. This is the narration. This is what it is. Money is collected. Billions of dollars is lost. Second narration through which money goes into decentralized finance is the traditional market, from where the capital actually enters into the decentralized finance, where these top tier funds, they play a crucial role. And that's why this route of money, in injection of money, is the best route, and this route gets the most out of the market momentum. So we are going to sit at the mouth of the river and ensure that we cash out, or we wash our hands first before the river gets dirty. So this is the whole idea that I created with Capital 3.0, with the relationships, with the connections that I have, and then subsequently registering an entity that will officially reinvest the capital which we collect. So everything is set. We are ready to go, and we are ready to get into the allocation journey and have subsequent allocations starting from short term, medium term, and long term. All right, who's next?
Eric is
Shavez,
next.
can I interrupt? Okay.
Alice, come.
Oh, I was just going to say, if you have your hand raised, please turn on your camera. Otherwise, you're going to get skipped.
Thank you. Eric had his camera on a minute. Oh, here he is. Go ahead, Eric. Eric, please.
Yes, sorry. Thank you, Lucky. Thank you, Shavez. Thank you, David, once more again for the wonderful presentation. You have one question. When David was giving the presentation, I didn't quite understand the second part of it. Yes, about the 15.
Okay.
Yes.
We will cover it tomorrow in the Zoom, or just stay here after the questions. Okay. I will open my whiteboard and I will cover it. 15 accounts. Okay. Thank you. I'm here. Don't worry. I'm not going anywhere without answering all the questions today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Who is next?
Okay, Eduardo, have your camera on, please. Thank you.
Hey, man. How are you?
Hey, man. I'm good. How are you?
Amazing. Amazing.
Okay, we are really excited with this new project. Thanks for your work, your hard work. Thanks to David for the explanation of this strategy. It's really interesting. And of course, thanks to Lucky for pushing you to get this 100 package for the people that don't have so much money and they can start climbing. Okay, so I have a few questions for you, Shavez. First of all, you talk about a financial structure that the top tier 1 fund have to create this 2% compound interest. Can you explain a little bit more how can they get this 2% diary?
So this 2% compounding effect that we have in 3.0 tokens. This is created by us on the agreements that we have with the top tier funds. So this is our tokenomics. And the best part is these tokens are not on-chain tokens. These are off-chain tokens. These will never be listed nowhere. Today it is $1. After 6 months also it will be $1. If I will do any listing game in this, then I'm going to potentially scam you, or you guys can scam yourselves or people in the downlines, right? Today's token is $1. It is dumped, and now it is not even 1 cent. So and so these elements that we added in the tokenomics, that we added in the affiliate model, describes how meticulously I created the affiliate model, and with the 3.0 token synergy, that it is not Ponzi and it is not going to fail.
Okay, but let's say, for example, I am a forex trader. Are you going to trade with money with the 35% that go to the fund?
No.
Nothing.
No trading. Only pre-seed allocation.
Okay, the pre-seed is really interesting. So another question. Let's say, for example, that we take part of the 3.0 tokens to swap for, let's say, as you have said, for example, for 200 tokens of the new project. Okay, how this affect to the compound interest? Let's say, for example, I have a 1,000 package, and I'm only an investor. Okay, I want 5,000 3.0 tokens, and let's say that now I have, for example, 2,000 3.0 tokens. If you let me swap, for example, these 2,000, I can get still the 3,000 tokens that I can get?
Yes, definitely. Because your vested capital, you cannot withdraw. You are only withdrawing the ROI part. So your ROI will computation will become slow. It will not be 138. So this is also very smart. You understand? Yeah. This is where affiliate models also fail to pay ROI.
Yeah. But let's say if I change my mind and then, let's say that I start making a team, I start making affiliation, then I only can get the 5x, so I have to balance the rest of the tokens with the team.
Yes. Okay. So if you do both, then let's say you make $3,000 in the affiliate side, so you will only make $2,000 in the token side, and of course then you will top up, you will get more principal vested capital that will compound your ROI.
Yeah, taking the explanation from David, it's really interesting that people in face of the strategy, the last 35 days of the 135, you double the 3.0 token. So it's really interesting for the people to have patience to mature the package and get the more tokens at the end of the period, let's say. Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Yes, I agree with you.
So David,
because affiliate marketers, leaders like you guys, you will have always trouble in collecting tokens. You will not get a chance to even compound, because all the time when you will try to compound, you have income, and then you will be like, okay, how much money can you put? It is like, let's say Eunice starts with $50,000, and Eunice has been making every day maxing out. So if you calculate the maxing out according to your rank also, then you can make one Excel of you maxing out in the binary, and then you can make one Excel with 3.0 allocation, and then you will end up always losing on the 3.0 side as a leader. So you have to set up your own sub accounts for ROI, secure ROI.
Always make a passive position.
Perfect. Thank you, Eduardo. Okay, who's next?
Thank you, Peter. Please unmute.
Thank you for the presentation. I was a little bit late, but I have a question about if we can use BTC 20 tokens.
No. BTC 20 deposits are not cannot be used for Capital 3.0 as of now. Okay, as of now, but
So
we will
no
have
USDT.
we will have different synergy with the projects in our ecosystem. So I will talk about it. Stay tuned for Friday calls.
Thank you, Peter. And Rhonda, please unmute.
Never mind. I raised my hand by an error.
Okay, no problem. And Solomon. Please unmute.
Please drive, brother Solomon. Focus on the road. It's okay. I will go on personal Zoom with you and answer all the questions. Focus on driving. Let's not take question from him.
Okay. And Robert, can you please have your camera on?
Solomon, relax. When you park, then we take question from you. Keep focus on the road. Okay, cool.
Okay, we'll go to next. Robert, please unmute.
Can I?
Let Robert.
Hello?
Wait. Let Robert ask question and then we go with you.
Hello?
Robert.
Oh
yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Shavez. I'm just trying to come back to the way you have restructured the WAAS, and somebody can buy or buy the miners from there directly on the WAAS board. Is it possible for somebody to go in and put a miner there and sell a miner there also?
I don't understand. No. No miners are included with Capital 3.0. This is pure investment.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, not. Oh, it's not. It doesn't. This one has nothing to do with miners.
No.
Okay.
That's why it is 5x, Robert.
Okay. This one is you just invest and then get a profit out of it.
Yeah. Money. Nothing else. Because
good.
See, with BTCC, you mine BTCC. BTCC is growing. BTCC after 3 to 4 years will make 5,000x. There we have long-term approach. For that, you need to be calm, composed. You need to be patient. You need to continue mining, harvesting, and you will see long-term growth. We need to make money also short-term in the upcoming bull run. So here it is, cash.
Right. Okay. Thank you very much.
Let's do it. Thank you. Okay, who's next? I think Dr.
Yes.
Soga. Okay, come on.
Thank you, Shavez. I love when you say this one is money. You say ROI. We can easily do even the calculations that David showed us that we can base on those calculations. But you know what? David and his team, the financial freedom, they did the same with Boomerang, and we were basing on those calculations. And when Boomerang started, we could not make that 3x daily or after 3 days. So it was a blow for special.
Okay, Boomerang is a product. It will continue working for bear market also, for bull market also, for next upcoming 3 bull runs. It will work. So it is a product It is not a short time money making mechanism. But yes, the way we expected Boomerang to perform, of course it will perform. It is here with us. But this is a pure ROI model with return on investment. Let's make money with this. And we have Boomerang, we have 9Pay, we have BTCC. We will have more products.
Yeah, no, I agree with you, Shavez. Look, I have a question. When Capital 3.0 starts and the 35% starts building up, compounding, when are we expecting the next allocation or the first allocation of the token?
Very good question. So the allocations will depend on the volume, business, how you guys pick up right now. Of course, how much we have investing, which we can allocate. Depending on the vesting potential, we will allocate funds in 3 different kinds of projects, TGEs. One will be faster, eminent TGEs, in which the allocation will be in minimum 2 to 3 months. And then there will be some medium term up to 6 months. And there will be long term also, close to 12 to 15 months. So this is the way I will diversify. But to diversify, I need to have the proper understanding of the cash flow. So let's start by 19. And I will begin with short term and then move to medium term. And also along with that, we'll allocate some in long term so that when we reach there, because the benefits are more, the X's are bigger in longer vesting period. So I will diversify it because the promise is to deliver 5x to you guys. But where I am seeing the catch is, we participate in projects which after you guys get allocation make at least 15 to 20x more, where you guys can can make a lot of money even after making an exit. That's my guess.
Okay. Shavez, let me just take advantage of you while you are here. Look, Africa team really is to have a meeting with you. So you always promised us that you will give us an allocation of your time. So please, we need to.
In which
financial freedom. I'm under financial freedom team. Yeah, Chantel is my direct sponsor.
Perfect. I will jump on call hopefully tomorrow. So set a time with your team and I will join the call tomorrow.
All right. Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Who is next?
Joy.
Yes. Hello. Good evening. Thank you, Shavez, for this huge opportunity. I have a question. In the presentation, I saw 0.5 and 0.6, but they are the opposite from each other. So that repurchasing is an option available to subscriptions or to subscribers once they have reached their maximum limit. So, and 0.6, that members on boosting and top up will we begin to receive ROC in 3.0 token, 35% of the new total allocation that they achieve.
Yes.
So is it possible to buy, for example, 2 packages of $100 in one account?
Yes.
At the same time?
Yes.
Okay, so you don't have to wait till your 5x is reached.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And David, please unmute.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Chavez. This is Chavez.
Hello.
Yes, hi. I guess my question is in the same line as the doctor who was speaking before. The fact that it's taking so much time for Boomerang to really do what we thought it was going to do, I think Capital 3.0 is going to replace it. And that's my feeling.
No.
It will be there. It will be there, but it looks like it's
everyone.
To
everyone, for everybody's end. These all are different opportunities in their own segments. Let's say we have 9Pay card. 9Pay card is a financial instrument. We will offer IBAN numbers also. We will offer exchange services also. On-ramp, off-ramp services also. It is a separate product type. Then we have Boomerang, which is a trading AI bot, AI software. It is a separate type of product. Then we have Bitcoin code mining ecosystem. This is Capital 3.0. This is bull market opportunity to make money. So this is different. Products are, that's why DeFi subscriptions are different in WAAS. Capital 3.0 is different in WAAS. So do not think that it is going to replace even Bitcoin code. BTCC is our, basis where we started, and it will always continue to, it depends on, I have limited time to talk. When I talk about Capital 3.0, that does not mean it is going to replace 9Pay, it is going to replace Boomerang, it is going to replace Bitcoin code. No. As people in the market, they work in 10 different projects. If I have caliber to give 10 different projects in an ecosystem, collaborated, combined, that equally benefits everything, this is the best which can happen. So
I only say that because it looks like Capital 3.0 is going to show return faster than Boomerang, because Boomerang, I feel particularly lucky. I think I mentioned that to Lucky with a $216,000, limit. It would take her 1,400 years at one trade a day.
No. Wait for new networks, and your ETA will shorten, and then you will understand. So
all right. Anyway, I appreciate your passion and all the leaders' passion. Even though my leader cut me from the team, so that's okay. I mean, I'll hang in there as much as I can.
Who's your upline?
That's okay. I don't need to put anybody under the bus. So she's lovely. I love her. Have a good afternoon, everybody.
I understand, but if you want to organize team, your call with your team, bring them here. I'm here for next 2-3 hours more before the US prime time, after the US prime time also. So bring them here. I will talk to them. I will answer all the questions. Just send the same link, invite people. I'm here. Thank you.
Thank you. And Solomon, you have your camera on, please.
Solomon is driving.
Oh yeah, he's put his hand up again. Okay, we'll move on. Gilbert.
Good afternoon, Shavez.
Good afternoon.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Good to see you. Long
yeah,
time.
It's been a while. I've been busy. I miss some of your appearances, but I always attend the Wednesday one, so I'm a little bit up to date, but not always. And I have about 2-3 questions. Number one, this new product is really fantastic, and I hope it's going to be paying off for those people that are going to be passive as well, not just for us that are going to be marketing. Then the second thing is, when I looked, this is personal now. When I looked at my account, the last time I looked at it, I did not withdraw my dividends, but it's gone away, and it's a lot of money.
Okay.
I was waiting Well, for this product, I didn't know you were going to clear it out.
Well, I informed everyone that withdraw your dividend. It's
I
September
tried. It would
already.
not allow. It was saying it's not sinking. It's not sinking.
Okay, okay. Allow me a couple of days. Let us launch Capital 3.0, go live. I will reinstate. I have thought about reinstating the dividend wallet back for 2 days to ensure withdrawals and then putting it back. I will do it. Please don't worry. Okay? Don't worry. Nobody will not lose nothing.
I'm not going to lose my pending reward. No, the one for marketing. I also tried to withdraw and it's been pending for 4 weeks.
Yes, no problem. It will be done and this dividend will also be released.
Okay. The fourth thing is, are you going to give a special, this is a special reward for people that markets more of this 3.0? Are you going to give a special?
Yes. A special rewards of 65% distribution is for the people.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about something else. Like maybe you are going to do some drop off or something for those people or something,
No.
That is an encouragement. No, it's going to help with the marketing. Because when you reach your maximum, you are discouraged to go ahead and market, right?
So
you need to do something for the people that we market, right?
Definitely, if we will get the opportunity where we will have collaborative airdrops, then I will give it to everyone, not just the people who are marketing, but a whole user base. Come on, passive people also, they put money in the hope to make more money. So we will benefit everyone. So the goal is to benefit more. And I will continue to do so as I have been working hard. I have been consistently putting everything together. You guys are there with me from day one,
Thank you. And MD, please unmute.
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ जी सद्दाम जी बताइए।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर हम बांग्लादेश से बोल रहे हैं सर।
बहुत बढ़िया। तो अभी तो बहुत लेट हो गया होगा बांग्लादेश में।
हाँ सर, अभी करीब 2 बज रहे हैं सर। अभी हम आपके साथ बात करने के लिए इतना देर तक वेटिंग में है।
थैंक यू सो मच। बताइए सद्दाम जी।
सर हम जो पूछ रहे थे सर, ये हमारा जो 10 ब्लॉकचेन ऐड करने का बात बोला था आपने, वो कि कंप्लीट हुआ सर?
हो रहा है, प्रोसेस चल रहा है और जल्दी ही पहले तो ट्रेड्स बढ़ेंगी, फिर नए ब्लॉकचेन्स आएंगे।
सर कितना दिन लग सकता है टाइम उसका?
कल मैं अपडेट दूंगा वेडनेसडे को। आप लोग वेडनेसडे कॉल पे आइए।
लिंक तो हमारा पास आता नहीं है सर, जो टेलीग्राम चैनल में आता है इसी में हम कभी कभी ऐड होता है।
यही सेम लिंक
सैम जी, यही लिंक है और इंडिया 9 PM पे सेम लिंक पे आप आ जाइए। 9 PM इंडिया टाइम।
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
Murshid, please put your camera on. Thank you, and
Hello, Shavez. I am from Malaysia. Sorry to say, I am hopeless in here. Let me give some time because I am totally unhappy. I invested here money 8 months. Also, my one lady invested same time $5,000.
Murshid ji, everybody invested money here.
Yeah.
And everyone who is sitting here has bought a license, has bought a miner, has bought a 9pay card. Today, we are here to talk in detail about Capital 3.0. I am dedicating my time to answer the questions which are around Capital 3.0 concept. There will be Q&A. There are Q&As. If you will just tell me you are disappointed, I am also disappointed. Right? So let's not, sit and cry together. Let's build some more clarity and understand how to move forward faster. Boomerang is there. It is progressing. It will continue to progress even when you don't expect it to progress. This is my promise. This is how I work.
It's my question. I finish my question. 8 month waiting, but if you now offer new product, how can I sell to people? This
Just like
company-
I'm selling. Just like I am selling. Just like we sold 7,000 cards. More than 7,000 now. So it is, Murshid, understand. It is a problem when the product, when we are not even clear with how Boomerang works, how it will work. We know how it works. We know how it will be enhanced. We know it is going to take time, but we have the progress. Next week, you will see 4 trades. Next week, when we will do Zoom, you will come with a little positive feedback from the teams.
No, my last question. I invested $5,000. Like, okay, how many years I need to recover my capital? Later,
Okay.
we'll think about profit. 8 months gone, nothing.
Okay, definitely. So, let's say in next few weeks, you have multiple trades. According to profit ceiling, we are increasing the number of trades. Don't calculate according to 2 trades now. Let it reach up to a minimum potential of, let's say up to 100 trades, and then start calculating. So this is the MVP version, which is under still enhancement. So it will take a little time, then start calculating. Otherwise, if you will calculate with 1 trade, of course, it is very easy to say it will take 10 years. Yes, it will take 10 years. So I'm also not, paying server fee for running the DApp is not even sustainable for 14 years to generate $15,000 out of your $5,000 license. So I understand that, and I work
Thank
according.
you, and thank you to my sponsor, Mr. Mohsen.
Thank you.
Okay.
Just stay updated, and you will understand.
Thank you. And Nora, you please turn your camera on. No, okay. We'll go to, sorry, I can't pronounce your name properly. You have your camera on. Can I ask you to unmute?
Okay. Hi, everyone. Hi.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
I can't pronounce your name. Sorry. But yeah.
Pindile.
Pindile.
Okay. Yes. Last week, Mr. Chavez, I deposited the $500. It was $500 to another 2 of my accounts. Afraid that maybe I'll eat the money, waiting for the 3.0. But the problem now is the other account, the money is gone. My account, it's still there, but the problem is in the day fee. I thought it was going to work like the card because I've already bought the card for the 2 accounts. So now I want to remove the money to go to the 3.0 account or all the 2 accounts. So now the money, the other account is gone. The money is
upline? Who's your upline?
If my upline, went away from this platform.
Who is that?
It was I don't it was we're under Mr. Gobi, but they're just the line.
Okay, don't worry. I
I can
will.
help, Shavez. I'll give you my Telegram ID, so just message me and I'll get that sorted for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'll message you. Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Please don't worry. You will be helped. Okay, in any way, in every way.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, who is next?
Okay. No, Cameron, please unmute Augustine.
Hi, Shavez. Good
Hello.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, okay, sorry. I just want to make I don't know, maybe you have addressed this before, but maybe like a suggestion. So I'm looking at the 30% proof of stake, proof of reserve. So I'm just suggesting, like in my team, I have a lot of people who went away, you know, after everything. And so I'm thinking if that could open up, maybe they could reinvest in 3.0. That
Will
could,
open. Yes, that will
okay.
open up. I will explain the procedure of opening on 22nd of September on a Zoom call. And
Okay.
this special Zoom call, join that Zoom. We will understand.
Same link? Is it going to be the same link?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Carol.
Hello.
Hello, hi, Shavez, how are you?
I'm
So
good.
I
You
need
you'll
clarity
not
on
leave
this
me here
5X.
also.
Because
Sorry.
I hear you saying some of the products, that some of the products are gonna give 100X or 15X. So could you clarify the 5X and these other X's that I'm hearing about?
Okay. So see, the allocation that you will receive in project tokens is going to be equivalent to the 5x value. Okay, 3.0 token. An equivalent value worth of tokens you will receive. The moment you receive your token, sometimes you will choose to sell. Okay, and basic process will be to sell these tokens. But if you won't sell these, because these are the narrative tokens of the bull market, and these tokens are the you will receive at the TGE, at the token generation event. So that's where buying starts from market. That's where users, the crowd gets into the projects. Before that, the pre-seed investors, VCs, and all that have put money. But from the TGE, when it goes public, that's where people they start jumping. So opportunity to make more access after listing is already there. So you guys can strategize. I will also guide you guys that this is the project which is looking very good. Sell only 50%, keep 50% with you, it will even grow more. So the possibility of making more access on the projects is already there. I hope it makes sense.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Carol. And Chantal? Unmute, please. Thank you.
Yes. Well, first of all, brilliant teamwork, Shavez, Lucky, and David. Really, really nice. And I am kind of sorry. Yeah, it's off. My suggestion is it's a little bit, David. There used to be in Africa Zoom at 8 o'clock in the morning. I can see a lot of people are needing that. So how about tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock? Nejla, our teams, Dr. Luago, we do this really focused on the African continent, because as a result of delays, there's a lot of chaos. So maybe we can just solve it in and bring it all
Sure.
together.
Sure. I'm here. No problem.
Okay.
Let's do it, Chantal.
Tomorrow, 8 o'clock, I'll put it in our groups. I will tell everybody if you want to go back through the conversation and we just drive 3.0, capital 3.0 for Africa, those who need the time and the energy and the thing again.
Chantal, that's 8 o'clock our time. That's the same with South Africa?
Yeah, same as South Africa time. So 8 o'clock South Africa time. So that is 7 o'clock UK time. And that is 10 o'clock
10 a.m. Dubai.
Yeah, 10 a.m. Dubai time. And then tonight, we of course have our US time. Well, but you're doing the presentation. I don't know who does the Excel, but if necessary, you know. Anyway.
I'm here. I will do everything.
Okay, great. I'm also there. So we'll see you. Okay. Ciao.
Thank you, Chantal. Paul, please unmute.
Hello, Shavez.
Hello.
I'm from Sweden.
Amazing.
Amazing, yes. I have a question for you. The profit we make in Boomerang now and future get directly into our MetaMask. How about the profit we will make in Capital 3.0? Will this be turned into this WAAS portal, and then we have the option to swap it to USD and then bring it back to MetaMask, or maybe this other project you talk about?
Yes. So these allocations will be directly given it to you. It will not come to company. It will directly given to the users. And everybody, all of you who are here understand this. This is why I'm getting more, more funds are interested and managers are more interested, because these allocations, we are putting a lot of money. Along with putting a lot of money, we have huge user base that is going to get the distributed token allocations. So it is for them the traction on the day one from investors. So we will be preferred everywhere. So you will get directly in your wallets the allocation, and you can choose to sell, you can choose to swap, you can choose to buy Bitcoin and keep it.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Paul. And Eric? Please unmute.
Yes, thank you, Lucky, once more. Please, Shavez, I have a very serious issue here, and it has been really on my neck. I have one of our downline. I bought her a Boomerang license, and has been for quite some time now. We have written the ticket, raised ticket about 3 times, and also filled the Google form. Up to yet, her account is not well, and also she has also seen the
Who's your upline?
Hold on, sir.
Who's your upline?
My upline is one Mr. Eric in London.
Okay, so can you send the information to your upline and they forward it to the team, and team does that? Please.
Okay, sir. Okay, Shavez.
Thank
Okay, Shavez. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Nora, you please turn your camera on. Thank you. And unmute.
Hey, Nora, how are you? Long
Hey,
time.
Shavez, how you doing? I know I'm here. I have a question. The ROI that we're going to be getting daily, can you withdraw it, or you can just accumulate, or how does it work?
Just keep accumulating until you have swap feature available. That's what, like I showed you in the swap, you have token allocation. So the moment you have swap option, you will see these many tokens you can swap according to your holding. So swap will be available from time to time. Initial, it may take 2.5 to 3 months, and then in the bull run it will be very quick. Like every week we will have allocations.
Oh, so it's not like when you buy a package and you start earning daily ROI, you withdraw right away. It's not like that, right?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nora. Good to see you.
Thank you. Me too.
Ganesh, can you put your camera on, please?
That's it.
Thank you. Can unmute.
Hi. Um,
Jesse,
so hi, Shavez. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Vidya?
I'm good. Long time.
Um,
Actually, I haven't been following up on this. So from what I'm understanding, is this something similar like the original WAAS that we had?
no. It is not similar.
Mhm.
That was just the ROI. In this, we will we are creating ROI, but we are not giving people ROI in cash. But this is ROI in allocation, and the equivalent 5 times the value in project tokens where there is further growth potential. So, and you understand the channel through which we are going is top tier funds. So the uncertainty of ending up in shitty projects is zero, because these top tier funds, they don't put money in any project without the viability analysis, without the whole due diligence and understanding of the technology. They have auditors, they have everything already done. So the ROI is not like that. That was just money distribution, 2% a day, over 100%, and just 30% allocation to the proof of reserve, which kind of help now, but that was different. This is different. This is more smart, I think.
Okay, so can say, for example, if we do invest in something like this, and obviously this is only going to be like after we get payout because like there's no funds right now to do in any sort of investment. Is there like going to be stick, for example, like every month, can I like swap something to say like a guaranteed income?
Yes. So every 2-3 months, starting it will be a little, like it will take 2-3 months, but after January, the allocations will be more frequent because market is at the place where projects are coming one after another, and the whole industry is, seeing the new inflow of projects, and that's where we will invest also. And I'm seeing the deal flows every day. So I mean, not every day, but I talk to the fund managers and they update about the upcoming deal flows and the upcoming deal flows. There are only a few, but these few are also scheduled, like some of them are 3 months, some of them 6 months, some of them even 1.5 year. So we will invest accordingly, and we will allocate, and that's how the ROI model is designed, such that if you withdraw some of your ROI in between, let's say after 3 months you withdraw something, so your calculation of 5x will become slower,
Oh, okay.
because the next project is going to come, and before the next project I need you to mathematically have 3.0 tokens to swap. So even in the allocation part, the synergy works very well.
Okay, makes sense. So is it just gonna be like for the leaders or just for or all of
Ev-
us?
For passive people also, with there you guys can participate. You and Ganesh can plan, and you guys can put small amount of money, compound
Mhm.
it, and then reinvest, and then compound, and then reinvest. No problem. Start
I know
small.
sometimes like you have like say for like early birds and stuff like that, there's like more opportunities. Now, when is the deadline like for this, to gain that early bird kind of package or whatever it
Of
is?
course, the early bird advantage is only that the allocations, as a whole, community as a whole, we will benefit together if we all if we all work together in a big way and we allocate starting from 19th, we start allocating, and only we can allocate only when we collect huge amount of money. So that will depend on the momentum, but I will follow the same process: short term, medium term, long term. So for me to understand this after the launch, I will have the idea of the volume. But passive people can anytime participate and anytime exit also. So for passive people, it is a good opportunity, and for the builders, it is something which is quick cash mechanism from WAAS.
Okay, so last question. When do you expect we're gonna get payout from there so then we can use some of that funds to, to invest in the Capital 3.0?
24th September is the process going to start, and 22nd I will hold one Zoom to explain the process, how it's calculated, how it will be swapped, and everything.
Okay, makes sense. All right. Thank you so much.
Hope everything is good.
Not really, but trying to, be positive.
Amazing. Take care.
Thank you. And Eduardo, please unmute.
Ok, me va a traducir Eunice. Hola, Lucky.
Okay. Hola, where is Eunice?
Eunice.
Eunice. Sorry, my mic was mute because I responded. Can you repeat, Eduardo, again? Sorry. Sí, mira, ha de estar, yo lo que hago es que grabo y traduzco, nomás te lo digo a ti, pero así en forma general, si hace una inversión, X inversión, y lo que dijo en el Excel ahorita David, quiero entenderlo para poderlo bajar a toda la red, pero no minucioso. No, verbal si tú quieres. ¿O quieres que nos esperemos mañana contigo?
Okay, Chavez. He wants to know a little bit about the David Excel and the strategy.
I heard David Senorita.
Yeah, I know the strategy, what they're using, because they're using not only that for Capital 3.0, they're using from the beginning. Am I correct, David? To using this strategy from the beginning. And I know his strategy. Entonces te lo voy a repetir para que sepa que yo conozco la estrategia de David. Y David nos va a mostrar, seguramente nos va a mandar el enlace. Y eso no es una estrategia que ellos hacen nada más de Capital 3.0. Eso ellos lo hacen desde WAAS, desde los NFTs.
Okay.
7 cuentas, e incluso hablan de 15 cuentas, y entonces desarrollan esas cuentas en conjunto y así.
Me confundí entonces, Yo pensé
no
que
te
era
preocupes,
aplicado
pero
en esto.
no, pero yo te lo explico con calma, pero es más que todo es porque ellos son muchos inversionistas y funcionan esto como inversionistas. ¿Está bien?
Eduardo, you will get a copy of it.
Yeah. Y él dice que va a tener una copia de eso.
Excelente. Porque hay mucho plan con eso. Está muy bueno el proyecto. Era todo. Me confundí nada más. Thank you.
He says a very good strategy, David.
Yeah, you can do a Zoom. You just do a Zoom. I come, then I explain to you, and you guys, you do translation, and then
he says so good strategy. He want to change a sponsor.
No, we cannot do. We don't allow that.
I told him, I offered him $100 to stay with me.
Yeah, and 2 beers.
Estoy aquí diciendo chistecito con ellos. Después te explico. Okay,
ya está. Sale pues. Muchas gracias. Thank you.
Thank you. That's all the questions. Oh, we got one more.
Thomas.
Come on, everyone. All the questions. Bring it on.
Hello, hi, Chavez.
Hi, Thomas. How are you?
It's me again. I asked this question at the financial freedom team earlier, but I just want to ask the same question again to make sure I understand properly.
Okay.
The 3.0 token would be swapped into project tokens.
Yes.
So where the liquidity will be coming from when he comes to transform or swap the project token into fiat money, where we're going to get the liquidity to make sure there is enough liquidity.
Sure. So when you will get allocation in the project tokens, that will be at the TGE when public starts to buy. Okay. And the projects that we are talking about are not like every other project which are listed everywhere and which may or may not have liquidity. Good concern. And then when you are trying to swap, it ends up with no liquidity and you face a challenge.
Exactly.
But
yes.
yeah, so we are not dealing with such projects. Number one, we are going through the route of top tier funds. So we invest only in unicorn projects. Which are unicorn projects? Like Solana. Have you ever seen Solana with low liquidity anywhere?
No.
No. So have you seen a scarcity of chain link liquidity anywhere?
No.
Such projects only are funded by top tier funds. So we are going only for unicorn projects. We will not participate in any projects randomly. And okay, this is also for information. We will not participate in so many projects also. We will keep it very, very limited. It will not be like, okay, you have shit coins coming after one by one, one by one. No.
Okay, Chavez, thank you. That
Thank you
makes
so
sense.
Thank you. Okay, I'm going to take one break. Just grab one more water bottle and come back. Okay. I don't have house help right now. It's 12:15.
We can continue, Lucky. No problem. Or the questions should be for Shavez. There's no problem.
We can all take 10 minutes.
Yes, let's stretch the legs and yeah. Is somebody having nice soft music?
I remember, David, you had an excellent collection. Just let's play that.
I can put some lounge music on. Let me see where we have that one. I can do some. Let's see.
What it was. So bills on the table. We are on trying to love.
Okay, I'm back.
I would be nothing.
Guys, come on. No music. Let's finish all the questions first. Okay. So, or if you guys want to stretch your legs, 2 minutes.
Yeah,
5
would be good.
Okay. I will also smoke a cigarette and come back. Okay. Let's take a smoking break. Ian, sorry, man. I'll just be back after one. Okay. Thank you.
Shall I play the song, Rashid? What do you say?
Let's take a break. Shavez already told us to shake up legs.
Okay, let's start. All right. It was, who was next? Open your camera. Let's see. Ian. Okay.
So I think
Hey,
someone.
Shavez.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. Two questions. The first one really quick. Tomorrow, will you take questions on Boomerang?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Because I just have a couple of questions / suggestions on that. Now, as far as Capital 3.0 goes, can I try and summarize and tell me if I'm correct in my understanding of how this works? It might be a little redundant for some people, but here goes. So let's leave it at $100. Let's say someone purchases a $100 package, and 65% is going towards the affiliate side. As you had said, Ascension Club, Check Match, kickbacks, and daily we will get 2% allocation in 3.0 tokens.
Yes.
And that 2% will be based on the $100 package price?
No, that will be based on 35%
35.
vested. Yes.
Okay. So we're getting that 2% a day, and so at that point, as we're accumulating those tokens, as you just said before the break, there'll be a period of time, when these project tokens will be available, and we will get offered certain tokens that we can allocate or swap those 3.0 tokens for of our choosing.
Yes.
Okay. And so if you're passive, once you have the project tokens, is that when, if you wanted to withdraw some ROI, you can, or do you withdraw the 3.0 tokens as earnings?
Okay, if you are passive, then you swap your 3.0 token on the basis of available allocation time to time, and these allocations are short term, long term, medium term, and it comes on. So if you are passive, you get to participate in, and you, as long as you are generating ROI, as long as you are not reaching to 5x, you can participate in all the allocations one by one.
So what you're swapping, it's not the 3.0 token, it's the project token?
It's the project tokens.
Okay, if you wanted, let's say you wanted to take out USDT, you'd be swapping the project token for USDT.
Yes, you sell the project token on the day of allocation. On the same day you can sell, because let's say the token has went into exchanges. Of course, it will be listed on exchanges on the day one. You go to exchange, if you have it on Ethereum network, you swap it with Ethereum or USDT, and you withdraw it, or you spend it with 9Pay card.
Okay, so you could only swap it for USDT once the token has launched and it's listed.
You can swap it in Bitcoin, no problem, wherever the connections you have in exchanges.
Right, but what I'm asking, I guess, is that these project tokens, they have to be already listed somewhere for us to be able to swap it.
Yes. So
Yeah,
without listing, you can't get the tokens. How will you get access to the token?
Right. So internally, you cannot convert either 3.0 or project tokens until the project has launched and been listed.
I will not even disperse the project tokens until it is listed.
Correct. Okay. All right. All right. And then as far as you know, the multi account strategy, I understand that, but the additional accounts, I'm sure it'll become really apparent to people the benefits of, as you said, if you have referral income, you know, how that can really benefit you. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
And
much.
Solomon?
Hello, Chavez. Thank you for your opportunity that you give us for this community.
Thank you so much.
My question is, we put it the DeFi wallet, holding deposit wallet, and you say in your explanation about the dashboard, we cannot use it or we cannot purchase the Capital 3.0. But what can will be used the DeFi wallet? That means the BTCC 20.
Yes.
I sent it over there before 1 week ago, a couple money over there. But now when I see we cannot use it any in Capital 3.0 wallet, what can you be used for this one? I have in DeFi wallet.
Okay. If you have money in your DeFi wallet, it can be used in DeFi projects. If you have money in your 3.0 CUSD wallet, you can use for Capital 3.0.
Cannot transfer?
No, not initially. But if you make income, you withdraw your income from DeFi to Capital 3.0 deposit wallet.
Okay, for future, what can I will be used for the DeFi wallet holding deposit? I can use it for the 9Pay.
9Pay,
I have all.
Boomerang.
I buy
Yes,
the all.
9Pay, Boomerang,
I have
Bitcoin.
the maximum amount. I have all already.
You have
I
all?
have a node. I have a Boomerang. I have all. I use it all.
Okay. Then wait until you max out. You make 3 times. Then you have to buy again in the DeFi also. Something, you know.
I cannot be returned to the MetaMask because I can use it over there or BTCC, or I can make it all. I can do something.
Okay, raise a ticket. They will return it to your MetaMask. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, and Sis Vilma. Unmute, please.
Hi, hello, good afternoon. I don't know if the same question I'm going to ask that person that just asked. I have some funds in over in the pool in my mining section over there. Can we use it? Can I use it to go in the 3.0? No?
No. Income can be withdrawn from this wallet, from DeFi wallet to Capital 3.0 deposit wallet.
And I had a couple of dollars. I have some money in the WAAS in the back office. So I made an attempt to take it out, and the system was down the other day, but I was so busy doing other things. And by the time I went back a couple of days, it was disappeared. Excuse me?
How it will disappear?
When I went, it's not there. It was in that dividend wallet.
Okay, dividend wallet. Okay. Dividend is dividend. Okay, hold on. Wait for my next Zoom. I will explain about dividend. Don't worry. It will not be gone. I will make sure everybody receives it. I will give more time.
Yeah, and also I some time ago I was forwarding some funds from my MetaMask over into another wallet.
Yes.
And I didn't know that. I didn't really understand much that it has to bridge and all of that. And the funds did not reach. So I got a ticket. I took a ticket out because I went on Saturday when they have the different room that you go in, and somebody helped me to, I took a ticket out, and they searched through some lists, and it was there, and the person said it's got itched in black chain. So what I do, I send in a ticket, but they told me that they're going to resolve the matter
Yes, so they
pretty
will
soon.
resolve.
So they threw the ticket out. So, but up until now, it has not been resolved. Still waiting. I'm still waiting, Shavez.
Okay, wait for it. This will take a
All
little,
right.
but they will resolve it.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you for, what you're doing for us. God
Please keep the questions on Capital 3.0. Let's not turn it into support Zoom. We have support Zooms on Saturday. Let's stick with the rules. Okay, who is next?
Okay, Gregory. Please put your camera on. Okay, we'll move on to David. Can you have your camera on, please? Okay, no.
All right, any questions? Fast, before we start US prime time.
Okay, that's it, I think.
That's it.
Shavez?
We have Gregory back.
Yes, Gregory, can you please put your camera on so I can unmute you? No, okay. Hi, Pam. Please unmute.
Hi. Yeah. While we were trying to buy the subscription $50, it's now asking to provide Bitcoin code. I'm wondering what that one is. We didn't have it before.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you want to know?
I want to know the Bitcoin code. Which number is that? What do we put there when we are doing the purchase of
Your
the sub?
MetaMask address.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Pam. And Derek, you have another question?
Yes, I never had one before. I didn't ask one. Hi, Chavez. How you doing?
Hello, I'm good.
Good. Hey, Chavez, when I get a chance, look at the message that I did for the card. The way I'm promoting it. Let me know what you think. All right, for the card.
Sure.
Regarding that, Chavez, are you going to have a website just for the card available?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Card website will be live. We are working on that, and it will have all the links and everything.
All right. I want to ask any question for Boomerang because you did say that tomorrow you'll have that session open. So thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, we have one more. 888. Put your camera on, please. Okay, unmute, please.
Can I speak? Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
It's night time now. It's a quick one. I'm back again, Chavez. With the affiliate side, with the capital 3.0. So can I not build on the volume that I have? You have to start from scratch. The left and right.
You can build on the existing volume.
All right. It's only that on the dashboard you show them as separate. It looks like you're starting from scratch. So
No. It is the volume for calculation of daily incomes, which will be from scratch, but the accumulation is from the old volume. So if you go on dashboard, you click on your tree, you will see the total business volume.
Oh, I see. So, and for you to, you should activate your capital 3.40 account for you to start getting the the bonuses.
Yes.
All right. Okay. No, fair enough. Thanks so much. Thanks ever so much, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Okay, it's David next.
Yeah, thank you very much. I've been struggling to be unmuted. Now I am. Thank you for the whole 3 hours of a discussion, Chavez and everybody here. This is David from East Africa. I've been listening the whole narrative, and I think I've learned a lot. Many of my questions have been answered, and I just want to ask one question. Is the BTCC going to be among the unicorns that will be listed? Because I want to get the confidence that I can buy more miners, knowing that it's in value with the Capital 3.0. Yeah.
BTCC is already a unicorn, and the day you are able to use BTCC to buy 9pay card, I think it proved that it is a unicorn. With BTCC, you can buy a financial instrument. It is not the first use case, but it is a very significant first one outside the ecosystem. So yes, it is something, it is a long time journey that we are on with BTCC, and the benefits will come along, but the goals and aspirations with BTCC are very, very different. This is the bull run narratives that we will follow, and very good aspect that you try to touch on. Of course, it is going to benefit the BTCC ecosystem in a way. Okay, you also are confused about the unicorn products. We are an ecosystem with BTCC, Bitcoin Code. We will cater these crypto unicorns in our ecosystem. So we are the launch pad that will accommodate these unicorns. So if I will rephrase your question correctly, will these projects be in future listed on BTC20 Smart Chain? Yes, there will be possibility of collaboration, and that will bring more value to the BTCC ecosystem. I hope it makes sense.
Yeah, very, very well. Excited. Thank you.
Thanks, David. And Wolf, can we have your clear video, please? Okay, Ian, can we have a clear video, please? All right. Please unmute, Ian.
Hello again. A question I have about the Capital 3.0 and the profit sharing pools. So the Mega Gigatera, is that the only qualifier going forward for the profit sharing pools, or do nodes still qualify you and the other volume from the other projects?
Yes, yes. So other projects also qualify in volume. So nodes, 9pay, uh, Boomerang, all the volumes they combine to qualify the pools and clubs.
But no longer 3 nodes on left and 3 nodes on right. Okay.
No, because we have now limited node offerings. I cannot, my target is to have, let's say, 200 pool qualifiers, but with 60 nodes a month, I cannot and qualify 200 people to give them $500,000 each. Because if we will do a volume of $100 million, then this distribution will be has to be more inclusive in the network. So better to have it on the basis of volume. That time we were not having the projects that can certainly reach up to a bigger volume like this. So but now we have a number of projects, so we don't we can upscale it to very, very high volume.
Thank you for the clarification.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ian, and thank you, Shavez. I think we are towards the end of the questions, but I would like to discuss with you, Shavez. Let's see if like if we are having like in 55 days, if we are having like 1,000 token 3.0s and we have an allocation, and if that allocation requires for us to invest like entirely 1,000 tokens, let's see. So what will happen after that? You mentioned that the rate of 2% compounding will slow down. How it will exactly? Would you please care to explain?
Sure, sure. So let's say you have $1,000 package. Okay, you are generating ROI on $350, 3.0 tokens, 2% every day. Okay, so let's say you accumulated up to $1,000, and now your basis of ROI calculation is $1,350. You swapped your 1,000 tokens. Now your basis of compounding is $350. So your 350 token vested capital will be compounded up to next $4,000 from today.
Okay. So that means if by the end of 55 days, I'm having like 1,000 tokens through compounding, does that include $350?
No,
If
no,
it's
no.
basic calculation of 2% compounding.
350 is vested capital. It will be separate. It will be the basis of compounding. It
Okay.
will never come into the disbursement, not even at the end. Initially, I thought we will disperse 350 also altogether, but it makes no sense.
I'm asking you in reference of the question that I asked in the leadership call, you know.
Yes, yes. So yesterday, after your question, I thought about it and I changed in the model.
So 350 will always be separate, and whatever tokens we accumulate above it will be available for allocation. Is it so?
Yes, yes.
All right. So guest leaders, community members, if you have any other questions pertaining to Capital 3.0, let's discuss. We have in-house the man himself, who is the creator and the key person. 888, we would request you to please open your video. Can you start your video, please? Okay, I think you are
It's dark here. I don't know if you can see me.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, it's okay. Continue,
Yeah.
please.
Well, I'm just making the most. You don't always get Shavez like this, so I'm enjoying Shavez.
Exactly.
You explained to the one gentleman who asked earlier that we can only cash out, so to speak, when the coins has already been listed.
Yes.
You see the danger of maybe dumping, like if all of us want to go and cash out, don't you think we will drive the price down such that someone who's next day will find that that coin has gone down?
Good, very good question. Okay. So what we are talking about and what we are dealing with is the unicorn projects, not projects with little liquidity. The projects which have been, kick-started from top tier funds, then they go through VCs and big investors, high net worth investors, and then they arrive in the market. So these projects have enough of the market cap which is created even before the listing. And the moment they get listed, there is billions of dollars of inflow from the consumers, from the end users. So your allocation, our whole accumulation is peanuts. Individually, it is peanuts. So if you sell peanuts, it makes no difference. Just like you see the BTCC ecosystem, where from January till now, people have liquidated millions of dollars of BTCC. Has the price gone down? No, it is peanuts. When you buy a Boomerang license, when you buy a 9-pay card using BTCC, it is peanuts. It's literally peanuts. So the value does not go down. Similarly, these projects, when they come in the market, if you will sell Solana today, will Solana go down? If you sell $500 worth of Solana, it will go down? No. It has so much liquidity. It has huge market cap. So we will not deal with meme coins. We will not deal with shit coins, to be very specific, like which run on the narrative of sentiments. We will deal in real projects. So the uncertainty, I mean, which is good, you understand all these things. So we don't have any chance where we will fall into any such. Even we will have the vesting period with some token allocations. Let's say there is a project and which is launched, and you participated in the TGE. We all participated, and there will be conditional vesting as well, that you can sell 50% of the token. You cannot sell rest 50 for next 3 months. There will be this kind of deals also, just like the VCs, just like the investors. Understand, if I'm an investor, I put $10 million in a product, and the product goes in market, and from market there is another $20 million which come in, and I sell on the day one $10 million, it's 50% down, and the project crashes and everybody starts to sell. So fear of missing out and then selling starts. So this is how people are not stupid. This bull run is going to be very, very smart, with investors, with end users, with even project creators. That's why I also am doing all these things. Otherwise, it was very easy for me to create 10 different shit coins and pump it and give you guys 100x and make you guys rich. I cannot now. It was possible in 2021. This is not possible in this bull run.
All right. Thanks so much for taking my questions.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Nicole, can we have your clear visuals, please? Nicole Smith. All right, Shavez. So that brings us to the end of the questions.
Any more questions? Anyone who has questions, come on. Okay, if you guys don't have questions, then we can take a break up to US prime time. I will be on US prime time myself. First, I will give the dashboard overview, and then I will take Farda has a question. Okay, let's take Farda's question, and Solomon has a question. Okay, we will take Solomon's question, and then we will go. Oh, it's Nejla in Farda's account. Okay. Okay. Farda, Najla, is this sweatshirt also for the Farda's or yours? Okay, yours.
No, no, really, I have a cold. I'm ill. I have one question.
Uh-huh.
Who's not seeing the opportunity?
Yes, they are blind. He's blind.
I'm curious about that. Who's don't see this opportunity?
People who don't understand. I mean, Najla, we have to be. I will be very, very frank with everyone. I know you guys are not experts. You just know how to send and receive cryptocurrencies. You guys are innocent people. Trust me. You guys are, and you work to earn money. Every one of you. But the transformation, the change that I'm bringing here, the reason why I'm taking affiliate marketing to this level is to teach you guys how to make money, not to earn money. And that is why Capital 3.0. That is why BTCC mining. We no longer have to earn money. We need to make money.
That's the reason why we're here. I think we are a big community. That's also the reason why you get this opportunity, because we are a big community. Someone I'm listening now for 3 hours, 4 hours, I don't know. And people are asking about Boomerang and other stuff. If we don't have this community, people, believe me, we didn't get this opportunity now. And I'm grateful for you, Shavez, that you get this opportunity for us all. Only what we have to do is buy a package, go compounding, and we get it. And swap your coin, or you swap your token to the real coin, and we are there. I understand the disappointment from some people. I really understand that. But the chance what we now have is so big. Everyone, we are now with 191 people. You are the diehards, really. And thank you for all the people who's in. And I'm also learning a lot. But if you don't understand where we're now in, oh my God, then you miss a lot. That was only thing what I want to say. Really, my voice is gone. I am really
Thank you, Najla.
But I must say that I was listening, and I thought everyone has it about other things, other projects. And I'm now from beginning with you, and you delivered always. And I hope everyone sees that. That was the only thing what I want to say today.
Thank you, Najla. So sweet of you. Take care of you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Solomon. How are you? Long time.
Yeah, Shavez, it's been a while. How's it going?
I'm good.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Go on. Yes, go on. I can hear you.
Okay, so yeah, quick one. All the journey from being a miner, not like a conventional miner, but a real miner, down to trading, not just trading, but real AI, boomerang trading, to 9-pay card, and now here we are as seed investors. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, it's good. Really appreciate it. It's not that it has not been easy, but one thing I know is that for a genuine community to stand, it passed through a lot of things. And I believe that we are in a community that stand for something to be remembered. Yeah, that's the way I see it. And
Definitely. Takes a lot of hard work, and it is really, really difficult to do right things. And I am trying my level best.
So yeah, I have one of my downliner who has been a challenge to me. You know, he has not been whitelisted since he purchased Boomerang. So I've been following it up. I've done all sorts of things, you know, things to see the possibility, but yet we are yet to arrive at a conclusion.
Are you connected with someone? Some of your I know your upline is gone far away.
Yeah.
Failed.
I'm not yet.
Failed in next 15 projects. Participated in next 15 scams, and
yeah.
So
it
I will
happens.
text
So
me.
I'll be also looking up to maybe. Okay.
You have my number. Send me the details, Solomon. I will help you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I will do that. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we look forward. Then we can also we buy this with BTC 20 USDT, right?
No. We buy it only with.
I mean the 3.0.
Yes. Capital 3.0 can only be bought.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Capital 3.0 can only be bought using USDT TRC20.
Okay, now only with TRC now.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Solomon.
you.
Take care.
Yeah.
I'm always there
Yeah.
for you, no matter how far the
All
upline.
right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Solomon. And next we have Nicole. Nicole, can we have a clear visual, please? Okay, next, Eunice. Let's hear it from you.
Thank you, Rashid. Thank you. Chavez, you know, just thinking in our beginnings, you know, last year, and you say something very powerful at that time. You know, people in network marketing didn't realize. But the origin of what we're doing, I remember you say, imagine to have different business with the same structure. You know,
yes.
Many people they don't realize that.
Many people said this in market, and they all scammed.
Yeah, they don't realize that. You know, I just spoke to somebody. He's focusing in Boomerang. You know, and I say to him, "Listen, why you focus on one thing when we have a whole ecosystem?" And I explained to him because we didn't be focused on one thing. We realized that Boomerang there was a product that came to us, and you know we have to be patient. You know, we know the product will be delivered what they say. It's not a problem for that. We already know it's audited, it's already proven. You know, it's a matter of time we get people, you know, do. But I said to him, you lose the focus of this thing because you have. He told me he got like 200 people under him. I said, wow, now that's the good time to put $100 in capital 3.0 and get all these people to listen to Capital 3.0, you know, to our Zoom or recorder, because the structure is already there. If you don't do nothing, if you stay only focused over there, they say, oh, because the people lose money in another business and then lose money in another business. I say, listen, if you don't sell them the idea we are in an ecosystem, these people that you try to protect to don't lose money, they're already in another business.
Yes.
Both
They already
things,
are.
you know,
They are
they're losing the structure.
Yes.
You see? When they have to capitalize in this. Now we have people they buying the 9pay. Last month we have people they went into the notes. Those people that are into notes, they're so happy. They even took some of the whatever they made in the previous round of notes to buy new notes again one more time. You know, we have to buy them the BTCC. You know, we have to buy them the BTCC. They were so happy, and we used to new note. And people they don't realize that this is powerful. You know, I saw the other day further structure the financial freedom team, and they had 2 equal, you know, quantity of people in both sides. This is amazing. This is a dream that people like me wants to dream get one day, you see, and they won't stop. And I really encourage the people that are here for the first time or stay here for this Zoom marathon to thinking about it, you know. And we are blessed to be here and to be part of this community. Thank you, Chavez, and thank you to all the leaders, including my dear Lucky. She's sleeping right now because I spoke, but anyway.
I'm here, Eunice.
I know. Anyway.
Thank you.
I know, but thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Eunice.
Right, Carol next, I think.
Thank you, Queenie. And I don't have a question. I just have a 1 minute comment. Shavez, are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
I was here from the first day, correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay. I want to make a plea, and I'm sure 99.9% of this community will agree with me. And that plea is, Shavez, we need you here for a very long time. Okay? So the plea is, can you take a water break and not a cigarette break?
Okay.
So we can have you for a long. Thank you. That's all I want to ask. It's a plea.
Thank you. I've already reduced it, Carol. Really reduced it, and I will quit definitely when I will
make
be
it a
able.
water break. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Carol.
Thank you, Carol. Amazing. Right, Chavez, shall we take a break for a couple of hours?
Yes. So let's meet again in US prime time. All of you who have teams in the US in the time zones who are not able to join right now. Well, anyway, I'm going to go on calls. There is one more call that I'm going to go on. If you guys have your groups that want to get on a call with me, I'm available. Send the link to your appliance. They will forward it to me. I will jump on the call quickly. I'm right now going on Hungarian call, and then I will be free.
Amazing. So see you all in 2 hours, less than 2 hours.
2 hours.
Thank you,
Yes.
Shavez.
Thank you so much. It was amazing. Bye-bye.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Shavez.
everyone.
That was great. Yeah.
Thank you.
Everybody.
Thanks, David. Thanks, Rashid. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Lucky.
Bye-bye.